So hi! Welcome na welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surfsaya 30 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, idadial lang natin is asterisk 123 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after nyan, dito, piliin natin yung number 6, which is yung Surfsaya. So type natin yung number 6, and then send. And dito guys, piliin naman ulit natin yung number 2, yung Surfsaya. So type number 2, and then send. And ayan guys, dito, piliin nyo na yung Surfsaya 30. So nandun siya sa number 3, yung may total of 1.35 gigabytes, 3 days for only 30 pesos. So type natin yung number 3, and then send. And ayan guys, dito, kapag doon nag-register tayo ng Surfsaya 30, makakakuha tayo ng total of 1.35 gigabytes na data. So, 250 megabytes para sa araw-araw ng TikTok, IG, Facebook, or Mobile Legends. So, total yon ng 750 megabytes. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron siyang additional na 600 megabytes para sa all data. And meron din siyang kasamang unli calls and texts. Valid na siya for 3 days for only 30 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 to subscribe and then send. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surfsaya 30 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.